Hello and welcome back to another video of Impressive Intelligent Techniques. Today we are going to learn how to create a basic EC2 instance. Quickly just like, share and subscribe to my channel. Navigate to the AWS console and log in with your root as in the admin account. You can see under recent visited application EC2. If you're not getting it, no worries. Search EC2 in the search bar and navigate to the dashboard of EC2. Here in the dashboard, you see an instance option, select that. Okay, so here we can see all available instances. Select the launch instance option from the right up corner to create a new instance. It will navigate us to one customization page. Here you can customize your instance. Start by giving it a name and proceed towards choosing our operating system image. There are few images which are given for quick start. Otherwise you can browse your customized EMI if you have any handy. So here I am selecting Amazon Linux. Let's proceed toward various version of that. Now let's select the instance type. Currently it's D2 Micro, a free tier version, and if you have any specification, any requirements in mind and you want to compare the instance type based on your requirement, click on compare, and here you can see all available types with different configuration. You can search for any specific one as well. Once you're done with your selection, click select instance type. So next we have to create a key pair to get authenticated and access our instance. You can use your available key pair as well. I'm gonna show how to create one. I'm gonna create by giving it a name, choosing a type as an RSA key pair. If you want to open it with SSH, select PEM. Otherwise, if you want to open this instance with PuTTY as well, create a key pair with .ppk. Once you're done, click on create key pair. So here we are done. We'll leave the network setting as it is, and now we come up and see the security group. When you create an instance, definitely you want to open that. To open that, allow SSH traffic. If you want to get your machine, your instance connected to the internet, then allow HTTPS and HTTP traffic as well. Now you can select the configuration of storage, and once you're done with all your customization, click on launch instance for the instance to be created. Now it is successfully created. You can navigate by clicking to instance or EC2 to directly navigate it to the page. Otherwise select EC2 again to see the dashboard and all your instances available. So here you can see the current instance which I have created is still in pending mode. I'm gonna refresh the page and see it's running. So that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please do like, share and subscribe.